Well, today we're starting another new project. This is one of the farms that we do land work on for our hunting rights, and this food plot in here, or this, we're going to make it a food plot. This long stand of dog fennels and everything down through these two different age group of pines is a great spot for these deer and turkeys crossing in here. So we're going to really turn this into a top-notch food plot. It's about, I'd say 200 yards long, and the problem we've got is there's an old barbed wire fence in here, and you see a post here, and you can see the metal there, and it's several strands, and we've got this post, all these posts in here, and we're gonna have to pull all of this up and push it all up, pull the post out, and then get in here. We've got some trees that are going to have to be dealt with, and before we can really turn it into a food plot. We've got a tripod right here. This is the south end of the food plot. We've got a tripod in that, and then on the other end, which would be the north end, there's a big oak tree down there. We got a big ladder stand in for a different wind direction. So we've never really done anything with this, and we're finally able to get the right equipment to handle it. So we're going to get started, and here we go. All right, so we're all done with this. I didn't think we were gonna knock it out today. Did you, Matt?
Nope.
Yep, we got all the posts pulled, got the barbed wire up, rolled it all up, got it out of the way, and then these trees, this new tractor just knocked these trees right out of here with that root rake. So we are now getting our Moultrie Edge camera set up, and we've got our Moultrie feeder out here. This is not a commercial, but I will tell you, we have been using Moultrie feeders and these Edge cameras. I've been using trail cameras since the first ones come out, and these Edge cameras, this is the third year now, right? Matt, third year? Third year we've been using that Edge camera, and we have not had a single one go down. Every one of them just keeps on working. There's no SD cards, there's no firmware updates, there's no, it doesn't matter what cell service you're on, it goes by the strongest tower. Great trigger speed, great sensitivity. You can set everything from your app. It has one button on it, which is an on and off switch. And of course now they've got the power packs that you can plug right in, take them home and recharge them. Best camera that we've ever used, and we've run a lot of cameras over our lifetimes, over the years I should say, and we have fallen in love with these Edge cameras from Moultrie. So anyway, we got this. Let me show you what we got. This food plot was head high and had a bunch of big trees in it. Now it's clean and ready. So we are excited to get this plot. We've been wanting to do this for what, 3 years? And we've been fighting hurricanes for the last 2 years. All we've been doing is trying to keep limbs picked up and trees out of the way so we could get it out of here. Hopefully we don't have any more, but if we do, this food plot's ready. Who's gonna kill the first buck here? He's right about that, so we'll see you later.
Sweat and blood mixed in the dirt of this farm. In church on Sunday to give God praise for his only son and a maid.